Okay, just now leaving King's Camp in Key Largo. A great little place to swing by and dock for the night. Good transit slip. A little tight to get into, but be patient and folks will help you. Great folks in the community. Nice little campground. Friendly. Got invited out immediately to hang out with some couples. Reasonable price. Only thing is they just have 30 amp. Single 30 amp. So be prepared. Slip is tight into getting into, but I got in there with just a tiny bit of help. Made it fine. Very nice. Great folks. When you call, ask for Margaret. Mention my name if you would. She'll appreciate that. But King's Camp for a transit slip or an RV for the winter. Yeah, anytime. Good little place. This season on Cruising Still the One, I'm docking my boat at my house in Cape Coral, Florida, the winter home base for Still the One. My plan this season is to cruise South Florida, including the Florida Keys, the east coast of Florida, and the Bahamas. Come along in my journey and enjoy the beautiful scenery, interesting people, and places along the way. You and I can learn something new through my experiences of a motor cruiser on Cruising Still the One. Okay, we're on our next leg to Hidden Harbor and Marathon. And it's about a 50-mile trip. And I'm going on the Intracoastal. Just for those that are trying to figure this out on Navionics, I could not get it to give me a route to Marathon on the inside, even though everybody's telling me that the channels are well marked, also plenty deep. So I'm going to go by their advice, and I've put together 5 sections of route to be able to get me down to Marathon. Alrighty, so I'm a little over halfway, I think, to my destination for today, which is Marathon. And I have reserved Hidden Harbor and Marathon. Weather's coming in this week. I'm going to stay there and then potentially head up to Everglades City, which is protected and a great place to hang out, and it's just a sleepy town. This is great, beautiful water, as you can see. I occasionally run across other people that are in the channel. Some sailing, as you've seen before, some power boats, some speed boats, and just enjoying a beautiful, easy day on the water. So far, so good. Okay, I'm making my way into Marathon, and I'm about an hour and a half away, something like that. I've been dodging crab pots out here, and I've just been enjoying the ride, other than the stupid crab pots. Pain in the butt for me. Because when I think I'm going to slide by it, I end up heading right for one and having to jump into action. There's one right here. Don't know if you saw that or not. I should be making a turn to the south here pretty soon and heading into Marathon. Safe Harbor Marina Marathon.
This is Safe Harbor Marina. Captain, please acknowledge and switch to channel 1111.
11. Hey folks, I want to fill up with fuel before I get to my slip. This is still the one.
Copy, Captain. Are you gas or diesel?
Gas.
All right, I'm standing right here in front of my pumps, Captain.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Be that.
All right.
Get you down there.
Hey, I got a problem.
Coming back now.
I think I picked up a crab pot on the way here. I don't remember running over it, but I remember having... See what? Okay. Yeah, as soon as I put it in gear, it just stopped. Yeah, I mean, I can try to get it in there with the one engine. You know, I just have to play with it. It may take me a little bit. Then I got to get a diver.
We do have divers.
Okay. So I think what I've done, when I had that slowdown and I thought, what was going on there, you know, and then I put it back in gear and kept right on chucking. I think I drug some kind of rope with me. And when I tried to turn it around, it back up. I think I could hear something, and I think the rope shot around the prop, and it's not letting. It just kills the engine just as soon as I
Captain, we're
put it
going
in
to
gear.
bring you guys into the outside fuel dock. He's got a crab pot tied around his prop. So I'm bringing you to the outside, and I think you guys are my key head, right?
All right. See, tell you what happens in a little while. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, recommended diver is coming to the boat and see what we got. Keeping my fingers crossed that it's just tied up, not too bad, and we'll be able to untie the rope, and then I'm good to go. But my experience has been that it's going to be more than that, which means it goes on the hard for that fix, and it's insurance, and then see what my insurance company does whenever I file that claim. If it's thousands of dollars, I can't do that right now. I guess I could, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyways, diver's coming, and we'll wait for him. I'm gonna rinse the boat off until then.
Alec will find some props here to save the day, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully. Definitely hopefully. So he's got his gear, and he was on his way home, and they grabbed him and said, come help this idiot out. He screwed his boat up.
Hopefully not too bad.
Yeah, hopefully not too bad. Well, he's down there working, so it's not the transmission, at least. Moving around down there, it seems like. Oh,
A little bit of rope.
I thought I could get a view of you down there. And you're out on, on the land. Look at that.
Let's get them out.
So what's the bad news?
Bad news? It's not too bad, but that cutlass bearing feels a little bit loose now. There's a little bit of play. It might not be enough to cause any problems, but both props you could tell you ran some sand, like the paint's missing.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I couldn't feel any dings or see any. Everything looks and feels straight. Prop spinning fine now, shaft. So yeah, you look pretty good.
You think you're all right? We're all right.
I think you're all right.
All right.
If you're starting to get vibration though,
That cutlass.
or there could be the props too. It
Yeah.
doesn't take much to
Knock
cause
'em out.
someone to get some vibration, but
Well, thank you very much.
yeah,
That was awesome.
Any worse news?
Yeah,
Go in the morning.
absolutely. Thank you.
Yeah.